Have you ever pondered over the process of drawing a female head using the Loomis method? This ingenious method, developed by the esteemed American artist Andrew Loomis, simplifies the complex structure of the human head into manageable, geometric shapes. It's an approach that's as methodical as it is artistic, and it's about to unfold right before your eyes. The journey starts with a simple sphere. Imagine a perfect globe, smooth and round. This sphere represents the cranium or the top part of the head. Now picture slicing off the sides of the sphere. These cuts create the flat planes needed to shape the sides of the head. Next, consider the division of the sphere into even halves, both vertically and horizontally. This step is crucial as it helps locate the brow line and the hairline. The halfway point horizontally marks the brow line, while the top third of the upper half marks the hairline. Moving on, visualize a circle drawn within the sphere, touching the edges of the flat planes. This circle, known as the facial mass circle, helps to define the jawline and the cheekbones. The next step introduces the concept of rhythm lines. Picture these as gentle curves flowing from the top of the ear, across the cheekbone, down to the chin. These lines help to create the structure of the lower face and the jaw. Now, it's time to focus on the vertical center line. This line, running from the top to the bottom of the face, helps to align the facial features. It's a crucial guide that ensures symmetry, a vital aspect of any face drawing. The Loomis method also highly emphasizes the importance of breaking down the facial features into simple shapes. For instance, envision the nose as a wedge, the lips as a cylinder, and the eyes as two spheres tucked under the brow line. The final stage of the Loomis method involves refining these shapes, adding details, and emphasizing the unique characteristics that make every face distinct and individual. It's a process that demands a keen eye and a steady hand, but the results are nothing short of spectacular. In essence, the Loomis method simplifies the daunting task of drawing a female head into a series of manageable steps. It starts with a basic sphere, incorporates flat planes and rhythm lines, and ends with the careful refinement of facial features. This method takes the guesswork out of drawing, providing a clear, structured approach that anyone can follow. So, the next time you pick up a pencil and contemplate the challenge of drawing a female head, remember the Loomis method. It's a tried and tested process that empowers you to create realistic, proportionate, and compelling portraits. It's a testament to the fact that art and science often walk hand in hand, and together, they can create magic.